For all you kids out there, let's talk a little bit more about the brain. So in my last video, we talked about the four lobes of the brain. Now I want to talk about each specific lobe in a little more detail. So the first one I want to talk about are the frontal lobes. The frontal lobes are in the front of our brain. We have one on either side, and it's the biggest part of our brain. Now, the frontal lobe has many functions that we'll talk about, but one of the main functions of the frontal lobe is to help us make decisions. It helps us reason and use our judgment to make good decisions. Another function of the frontal lobe is our personality, who we are, how we act in public, how we act in front of our friends. That's our frontal lobe helping us to act appropriately. Our frontal lobe is also in charge of movement. If you look, you can see this red stripe right here. That's called the motor cortex. That's in the back part of the frontal lobe, and that controls our voluntary movement. When I move my arm to reach out, that's this part of the brain controlling that. So that controls the movement in our face, our arms, and our legs.